If remove YouTube video mentioning my name and address keeps failing, you're doing this wrong, and here's the 4-minute fix. Here's the problem. Most start with the tool, not the outcome. Win 1. Write your outcome in one sentence in under 60 seconds. Win 2. Pick the smallest version of remove YouTube video mentioning my name and address you can ship in 7 days. Why does this matter now? A competitor leaves a fake 1-star review on your Google profile. Within 48 hours your bookings drop 30%. Remove YouTube video mentioning my name and address done right closes that gap in days, not months. Most people fail here. They jump straight to tactics without defining the outcome. Do not do this. 82% of remove YouTube video mentioning my name and address attempts die in week 1 for this exact reason. Step 2. Timebox the first cycle to 7 days. 82% of remove YouTube video mentioning my name and address attempts that ship in week 1 keep going. Step 3. Set one number to track. This is important. Most people pick 4 KPIs and lose focus by day 3. One number costs $0 and saves 4 weeks. Here's the problem. Before this method, months of guessing, no traction. After, a working remove YouTube video mentioning my name and address flow in 7 days. Once steps 1 to 3 are working, here is the move that separates pros from amateurs. Layer remove YouTube video mentioning my name and address into a weekly review. Every Monday, look at the one number. Ask one question, did it move? If yes, double down. If no, change one variable, not 5. The viewer who masters this beats 90% of competitors. Use this exact phrase when you start. By Friday, I will know if remove YouTube video mentioning my name and address moved my one number. Outcome first, tool last. Ship the smallest version in 7 days. Track one number weekly. Protect your online reputation. Visit https://reputationzilla.org.